Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls, or imposters who use my video content and video titles in their videos. We're wearing cat heads, and here is how I defeated the drain flies. Now, someone sent me fly paper, and on the side I built a little wall. We'll build the wall with no help from the Republicans or Donald Trump, but all the way around my kitchen cabinet and up here and in the bathroom I built a wall, and I had hundreds of these things in here, and as you can see, it caught them. And I had clouds of them flying around. And by the way, do not take the 2-liter bottles and turn the top over and put apple cider vinegar in it, because it does not work. The best thing to do is shallow pans. They like shallow pans. And they like the light. So you want to attract them, leave a light on. Now I did dishes, but I've got nowhere to put the cups. Those are my cup holders. And instead of having clouds, I'm only having one or two, and eventually I just blew on one and he went to the fly paper. So this is going to take a little while longer to get rid of them all. And you've got to treat you've got to treat the drain, I put salt and baking soda and boiling vinegar down all the drains. And if you have stoppers, stopper up your bathroom sink, your kitchen sink, and your bathtub. Pour the boiling vinegar down there and let that sit overnight, and it reduces the clouds to just a few. And eventually it kills the larvae, it kills the eggs, and you'll have no drain flies. Now, I have not been feeling well, as you know. I did this. I've got nowhere to put my coffee cups. This is why I need more containers. They're even up here. And it's gross, but I don't have clouds of the damn things flying all over my kitchen and my apartment anymore. There's only a couple, and they'll eventually get caught and die. And then this infestation will be over. And if you get oranges or tangerines or grapefruit or anything like that, wash them first thoroughly, if you have to, even in soap and water, because they like to lay their eggs in the peels, and that's how you get the fruit flies. The drain flies live in the drain. So what you want to do is put salt, baking soda, and boiling vinegar down the drain to kill the drain flies in the drain. And that's what I did, and it reduced them considerably, to the point where I'll leave this up for about a week, and the ones in the bathroom are a lot less too. I filled the bathroom sink with water and dish soap. You want dish soap because it breaks surface tension. They can't land in the water and take off again. They drown. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay dry and safe, or cool and safe, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye for now.